Welcome to the wall. Some of the most cunning and notorious criminals are kept here, and now we have the infamous Henry Stickman. You're going to be here for a long time. Grigori, take him. You wait here until cell found. Is Grigori?
Huh?
Yeah, you know new one, Henry? He's dead. Yes. Put him with others. Okay.
Thanks.
And I'm like, look at how much I care. I don't care. I ended up buffing up my guys and doing like 70 damage.
That's funny. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Oh yeah, last night I kept...
If we can get you up there, you could get in and open this door. Quick, in here.
Hold it right there, inmates. So, you say all inmate is out of cell? Yeah, some idiot must
Hey,
have opened
I
all
just
the
grabbed
doors.
these. Maybe they'll come in handy.
Are we waiting for someone, or...? I thought you press. We'll regroup with that. There is convict here! Get down on ground. Back to your cell, inmate.
Boing.
What, you think that will upset me? Oh, very much so.
Thanks, I guess. Now let's get out of here.
Well, if it isn't Henry. There has not been an incident here in 50 years, and the day you show up this happens. You are going to regret everything.